As we're holding this conference and at the same time that the Paris COP is going on, I think we're all reminded by just what impact climate change is going to have, and the flooding that we saw in Carlisle, the extreme weather events we're seeing around the world, and it's really bringing it home to us. This isn't just about energy, it's about our future, and that balance between energy and the environment is actually something that we've got to deal with. Generally speaking, at the moment, we've got new innovation, new technology coming on board. Actually, CO2 emissions for the first time have actually reduced at a time when the economy is growing and oil prices low. Many countries around the world are actually taking the lead now, and developing countries are taking the lead. And here, locally, we have communities, we have local authorities, individuals who are really leading the challenge to address climate change and to change the way in which we generate energy. Several people have made the comment now that government policy is a bit incoherent, and government's talking about addressing a climate change and decarbonising our energy environment, which at the same time really pulling the rug out from many of the renewables schemes. I am hopeful. These are short-term measures, and you kind of think that there's a degree of expediency at the moment, when fundamentally the UK is still going to need to generate significant amounts of electricity going into the 2030s. We are going to have to decarbonise, and therefore we're going to have to address these technology issues and look at new means of production. In the southwest is a gem in terms of energy generation. We have wind, we have waves, we have tidal energy, we have sunshine. At a small scale, we're doing really well, actually. If you look at the number of people that take up the feed-in tariff for putting PV on their roofs, small scale onshore wind projects, hydro project, biomass for example, that's great, but we also need to harness some of those larger energy resources, and that's where we've struggled, and I think that's the real challenge for us now, and this conference is trying to address some of those issues.